I have a box, and inside of it is something pretty cool. What we have is a short shifter for my Fabia. I bought this one used, and I'm going to install it on my car today. Well, at least try to. It shouldn't be that hard. This isn't going to be a tutorial, it's more of a watch me put this on in the cold weather. So as far as I'm aware, these are all the bits I need. This is everything that came with it. This is part of the mechanism here. Nut, little washer of some sort, and a cap. And yeah, this just bolts directly on top of the gearbox where the old one goes. I'm going to give it a go today, and I'll show you a before and after as well of the shifting. Here we are inside. It's a standard shifter. Well, it's not going to be replacing this at all. It's just going to make the throw a lot shorter. But this shifter should reduce that by, I think it's 35%. So here you can get a look. That's first, second, so it goes quite far back. Third, fourth, fifth and sixth. And then afterwards I'll install it and show you. So here we are under the bonnet, and you can see just under here, where is it? There is the old shifter there. Just going to take that off, put on the new one. So as I mentioned, first job, got a little airbox intake pipe out of the way. I've taken the little clips off the shifter cables. I just got to pop them off now. So I've now removed this little thing here, which holds those selector cables onto that mechanism there. And I've already had this selector off before, so it shouldn't be too hard to pull off. You just got to undo that top nut. And yeah, I was kind of losing a bit of hope, but managed to get the old shifter off and the new one on and tightened down. It did say to tighten to 23 Newton meters, but I don't have my torque wrench with me, and I sort of know how tight that is, so it's nice and tight now. So I've just got to follow the rest of the instructions, and then we'll be there. You probably won't be able to tell, but it definitely is shorter than before.